Hello guys, and welcome to another CapCut tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blend multiple videos in CapCut PC. To begin, I'm going to import this video onto my timeline, and I'll import the second video onto my timeline. The next thing I need to do is to trim this video to assume the length of the first video. Next, select the top video, and under video over here, select mask, and come down here and select add mask. But remember, you need to check marks over here and select split. The next thing you need to do is to change the angle of this split to any angle you prefer. The next thing you need to do is, while selecting the top clip over here, go over to basic over here and adjust the position of the top clip, and select the bottom clip over here, and under the basic property, adjust the position of the bottom clip also, and select the first clip over here and go over to mask and select this mask and drag it in between so that the subject is seen between both clips, and select this arrow and increase it to add a fade in between them. And that's it guys on how to create these blended videos in CapCut PC.